Cryptopapa.
Good day to everybody. Welcome back to Cryptopapa, where crypto is hard, but Papa makes it easy. My name is Conan. Once again, thank you very much for clicking in for another video. This is where we talk about crypto news and also some of the altcoins that we analyze daily that we are giving away for you today. So on this video, this is not a financial advice, so please do your own due diligence and of course your risk management. So I've been feeling sick for the past 2 days and here I am. I've recovered almost fully because I've been missing to make videos for you to let you keep on track on the markets moving. So before we begin, please help us to like, share and subscribe to the video, to the channel, because this is helping us for the community. And let's jump straight into the market. So looking back to the Bitcoin dominance, I'm sorry because my voice has been trembling. I've been having a sore throat for the past 2 days and I'm still on the way on the recovering mode, and I hope that this doesn't affect for this video. So let's jump into the market. The BTC dominance. This is a daily time frame chart where the current candle are going to retrace because for the past few days the BTC dominance are dropping sharp all the way to the 60%, 60.4%. So currently they are doing a retest, and hopefully for the next day the candlestick will be closed on this good side if the retests are failed, because we are pulling a Fibonacci retracement. This is how we pull from the downside through the upper side, and for retracement this is a perfect retest to the 61.8%. This means that for the current retracement it shall a fail sign of a retracement, where we are seeing hopefully for the next candle opening up on the next day it will be going down. This means that the market will be once again showing the bullish session will be still continuing. And for all the altcoins for the past few days, mostly all the coins are going up. The market needs to cool off. So once for all the cryptos in the market are once again ready for another pump session, this is where the altcoins and also all the large cap going on the bullish side. Moving on to the next one, the BTC USDT. So I'm going to keep short on this video today. I just wanted to give you some of the good crypto signals that they are still looking good on the market. This is a very nice bullish pattern. This is a triangle where this simple moving average start to parking on the sideway. So you will see all the contraction from the candlestick are doing a bullish sideway, where all the contraction will start to shrink smaller and smaller until we see a breakout. And if the candlestick breaks out to the upside, we wait for the retest and then we enter the position. All right, so this is what we see for the Bitcoin. So for the first TP that we are longing at is the current all-time high, which is at the 123,000. So before that we can also put in some of the TPs downwards, so maybe here and also another one over here, and of course we can put one more over here. So you can refer to all the TP 1, 2, 3, 4. So for the Bitcoin, moving on to the altcoin USDT. So this is one of the week off structure which has yet to complete. It got the 2 contractions ready. Once the candlestick are successfully going up, breaking out this little contraction pattern, you can enter the position, and we are longing at the current AR, which is at the 1.0. So this is a short-term buying session for you, and hopefully you can just profit from here. So moving on to the CRV. So CRV has yet to come out a signal because it is still currently doing, this is what we call a sideways accumulation, where it has no direction. It's still moving alongside this area. So we can just frame it up using the provided tools. So once the candlestick starts to coming off from this box, we can see a bullish side for the CRV once again will be going up, because for the current SMA it is still neither doing any direction for buying or the selling pressure until one direction or any direction has been clearly giving off from the market. Only then we enter. So the last signal that I'm going to give you today is the AVAX, because it's currently doing a very nice sharp decline, followed up by the next candlestick that are going to pump up, and now it is approaching to the current contraction. So you can just putting on your buy limit over here, where once the candlestick has retest before you buy in. So this is just a few signals that I'm going to give you today, especially the Bitcoin, because for the Bitcoin doing an accumulation go up to the upside to challenge all-time high, because the market needs a substantial amount of energy in order to break out through the upper side, because you know BTC tends to carry most of the crypto. So whenever Bitcoin is going, we need to see how is the Bitcoins doing, and also the Bitcoin is dominant. As long as the Bitcoin dominance are going down, Bitcoins are going up, we will see a strong bullish side for the entire market will be prolonged. So there's something that I wanted to show you today is the liquidation heat map. So this is the liquidation heat map. You can find it on the CoinGlass website. This is what we refer to as a chart, the candlestick. So for all these highlights, especially the yellow one, this is what we refers to the volume. So on the upper side, we can see this is all the short position are doing. This is where they place the area. This is where all the positions are placing on. They are going to short all the way down, and of course vice versa, long position over here. So once the candlestick are approaching to neither side, it will start to hands down all the yellowish position to liquidate them. So this is very important for us because we can always refer to how is the chart are doing every single day, because this is a 24 hours time frame. We can change it to 12 hours, and then we are seeing, wow, there's so many on the downside. So on the current situation, we can predict for the current movement of the bitcoins of the chart, they are going to start maybe rampage on the upside before it goes down to hand down all the position on the downside. We will see how is the direction going, maybe to the upside first before grabbing to the downside liquidity, keeping an eye on it. So this is another liquidation heat map, and the data are reflecting for the past 24 hours. This is 1 hour. We can switch it back to the 24 hours on the previous bullish market. See on the last 24 hours rack, this is a total sum of the liquidation amount is worth 666.24 million, which came from the long side 492. I mean, this is a very sad to see because all the money has been given back to the market. Everybody is doing long, everybody is very happy, everybody is free. They are putting back all the money back to the market. So in the past 24 hours, as shown in the data, 229,000 traders were liquidated, and the largest single liquidation happened on Binance, which is a BTC USDT valued at 3 million. A single position has been liquidated at 3 million. I mean, who else have so much money? Nobody but the the market makers and institution. So 3 million, boom, a very sad moment. So as I always mention, should always carry our risk management. We need to reduce the risk because this is not a gambling, this is not a casino. We need to have a proper analysis. We need to see how is the market doing so that we can anticipate how is the movement of the market. We can always predict what is the next step for you in order to enter any position. This is very crucial, and I hope that everybody can learn through this video how to profit and also how to reduce. So that's all for today. These are all the signals that I've been giving away to you, the BTC, Alpine, and of course the Apex. Hopefully you can profit from the short-term trading. On the contemporary side, on the next few days, the moon are getting smaller. This is what we call the waning moon. The waning moon is something that on the Chinese culture, we are saying this is a new cycle of the moon, and it reflects to the human's behavior, where normally you will see people are dumping, especially in the tradings market. People will start to, having a, sort of a downside of the emotion where people will start to dump the crypto. People will start to sell off. And of course, it tally with the current situation where you are seeing on the past few days, the BTC dominance are going up, are rising, and it means that it moved inversely with the altcoin. So of course, for the altcoins, for the past 24 hours, it has been dropping very sharp. So that's what a waning moon means. So for the next 2 more weeks, we are looking for the waxing moon. And that's where we are seeing all the human emotion are getting happy or even greed will start to come off in their mind, and people will start to buy in once again. All the crypto will be, going up and up again. So that's all for today. I'm Conan. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please help us to like, share, and subscribe to more of your friends to support the community. That's all. I hope you get rich, and I will see you on the next video.
Where crypto is hard, but Papa makes it easy.